Usually they're gonna ask you, would you like hot, cold, or ice? Or would you like ice blended? So that's usually the next step. If you want hot, then you can say 热的. 热 means hot. 热的 means I want a hot one. 热的. And if you like the iced, then you can say 我要冰的. 冰的. 冰的 means ice. And maybe you wanted to have the ice blended. Maybe that day was so hot. Or maybe this is just typically what you want. Sometimes, in most cases, especially in China, we would like our drink not to be so hot and not to be so cold. Just the right temperature. And how are we going to say that? Is we are going to say it 常温的. 常温的. 温 means warm. 常 means just enough. Like not too hot, not too cold. Just enough. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, and sometimes we call it lukewarm. But it's a little bit of a warm side of things. Alright? So far, how is it going? Let me know. Okay, so the next would be the size. The staff will probably ask you, 请问你要什么北香? 请问你要什么北香? Means what size? What size would you like? The other way is 请问你要多大的? 请问你要多大的? So those are the two types of question that they may ask you. So whichever question they will ask you, you will then understand what are they asking. So that's the key here. So far, is it interesting? If it is, stay until the end of the video and I will walk you through step by step. So what are the three sizes that are commonly in Starbucks or in other cafe in that matter? So let's use Starbucks as a benchmark. So they call the smallest is tall, which we call 中杯, 中杯, 中杯. So the next one is grande, which is a little bit bigger, but it's like a medium size. So they call it 大杯, 大杯, 大杯. And the largest one, they call it venti. And in Chinese, we call it 超大杯, 超大杯. So far, I hope you're getting it. Alright, there's just a few small steps here. Alright, after here, what's gonna happen is they're gonna ask you, are you gonna have it here? Or are you gonna take away? Or take out? Or to go? So, they're gonna ask you, 你要喝这边还是打包? So you can also answer them 这里吃 or 这里喝 means 这里吃 means 这里 means here, 吃 means eat, and the other one is 这里喝 means here and drink. So whichever you're in a cafe, maybe you're drinking or eating, so you can answer either way if you want to have it in that cafe. But if you're rushing, you're going out, what you can say is 我要打包，我要打包，我要打包，打包，打包，我要打包。Take away, to go. 打包，打包 is take away. 打包 is take away. So I hope so far it's making sense. And there's just one last step. Then they'll probably ask you, 你还有点点什么? That means, what else do you want to order? Let's just say you wanted some cookie, just to go with your drink. So what you can say is, 我要饼干，我要饼干. I would just like to have a cookie. 我要一个饼干. I would just like to have one cookie. 我要一个饼干. 饼干 is cookie. 饼干. Alright, so that is the journey of just getting your nice and smooth, warm drink to start your day, to boost your day or your morning. If this video has given value to you, please do give us a thumbs up. And I would like to hear your comments below. What you think about this video? Is this helpful? Is this video making sense? Or it doesn't make sense? Please let us know. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your suggestive topics. Maybe you wanted to get some topics that we can create for you. Let us know. We'll create it for you and you can see it on our next videos. And if you know, probably you may know someone that would need this video, please do share it with them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, because we will be uploading every week video and videos for you to help you in your Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on my next video. 再见。